Hello, we're going to look at example 3. Calcium fluoride and sulfuric acid make calcium sulfate and hydrogen fluoride. So if we look at that, we have calcium fluoride. Now we know that calcium has a +2 charge. We know that fluoride has a -1 charge. So we need to have 2 fluoride ions to go with our calcium. So we're going to have the formula CaF2. And we have sulfuric acid. Now we know sulfuric acid comes from our sulfate ion, which is SO4, the -2. So how many hydrogens do you need to be able to balance out the negative charge? Well, we need to have a hydrogen ion, which is +1, but we have to have 2 of them. So those things together give us H2SO4. So we have our calcium fluoride and we have our sulfuric acid. And they are going to make calcium sulfate. Well, here we know calcium has a +2 charge. We know that sulfate has an SO4 -2 charge. So when we put those two things together, we're going to get CaSO4. And it's going to have hydrogen fluoride. We know hydrogen has a +1 charge, and fluoride has a -1 charge, so HF is our formula. So now let's balance it. We have our reactants and we have our products. Let's think about the different elements we have. We have calcium, we have sulfur, we have fluorine, we have hydrogen, and we have oxygen. If we look at our calcium, right now we have 1 calcium on this side and 1 calcium on that side. We have 1 sulfur on this side, and we have 1 sulfur on that side. If we look at our fluorine, here I have 2 fluorine, but on the other side I only have 1 fluorine. So I need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of the fluorine. So that gives me a 2. So now let's look at the hydrogen. On this side we have 2 hydrogen, and on this side we have 2 hydrogen. Now let's look at our oxygen. On this side we have 4 oxygen, and on this side we have 4 oxygen. So now we have it balanced with 1 calcium fluoride plus 1 sulfuric acid going to 1 calcium sulfate plus 2 hydrogen fluoride. And that is the answer. Have a great day.